Welcome back to YouTube Rewind. We've got two special guests with us. Okay, Layla and Liza.
Para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo. Que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Sit down. Me humble. Sit down. Me humble. Sit down. Singing like your love was handmade for somebody like crazy. Don't mind me, say come now, follow my love with your body. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my love with the shape of you. Come now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. Hold up.
Why?
It's the great one that ain't beyond the dead top. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Somebody once told me the world is gonna.
Much of the Houston area still is in a state of disrepair.
Received reports of an explosion in the city
concierto
centre.
de Ariana Grande.
మెక్సికోలో గత 100 నెలలోనే అత్యంత
This is
తీవ్రతతో
a very
వచ్చిన
difficult time, but we've been through very difficult times before.
So many brothers and sisters that have come to help.
The community rallying to show its support.
Junto con voluntarios, se organizaron para retirar los escombros.
Long lines that are now wrapping around one of the blood banks.
And that are doing all they can and are helping.
Vivre ensemble, c'est bien. Mais construire ensemble, c'est encore mieux. This is a moment where we stand up for one another.
Welcome back to YouTube Rewind. We've got two special guests with us. Okay, Layla and Liza, tell me about 2017.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito.
Can you believe he made this video? Can you believe that someone made this video and put it online?
Sit down. Be humble.
Floor is lava.
Suave, suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito.
I'm coffee.
Suave, suavecito, nos vamos pegando. Can you sing the chorus while I wanna
stop everything. What are you doing with your life?
Sorry, guys. Looks like you were interrupted there. You were about to tell me about 2017?
It was good. Okay.
What the fuck? That made me like react.